Hello students, today in this video we are going to find the solutions of second year Maths B first chapter circle. In this first exercise we are going to find the solutions today. So before going to start the first B, we have to learn some important basic points here. So those we discuss first, after we go to the like exercise 1, exercise problems. Now start with the some important points here, okay. So here one note is there. So note uh, the expression x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is there na. So is denoted by s, okay. So means s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c here. So here s is equal to this one. Now s double one is there, some means s double one, sorry, s1 only, उसके बाद s double one आता. So s1 is equal to here x1 into x1 x into x1 plus y into y1 plus 2 sorry here g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c here. Now here s2 is equal to x into x2 plus y into y2 plus g into x plus x2 plus f into y plus y2 plus c. Now here s double one here, s double one is double one here, it will become x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Now here s12, okay, s12 is equal to x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2 plus here g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. So these are the some basic fundamental formulas are important points here to remember. So it will come in while doing the exercise. So please remind this and practice more here, okay. Now move to some other points, important points. So another note is there. So here he is saying that let s is equal to 0 be a circle. It is a circle he is saying, and circle it is in a plane he is saying, in a plane, and p x1 comma y1 any point in the same plane. So some important note points here. First one point is, so p lies in the interior of the circle interior of the circle is equal to where s double one less than equal to only s double one less than 0, it will become p lies in the interior of the circle. This condition is applied, the p lies in the interior of the circle, means this is circle thing that it is p in this circle here only. So now move to the next one. Here second one, p lies on the circle, p lies on the circle where s double one is equal to 0, means like this, it is on the p 0, okay. Now third one here, 0 is the origin here I am taking as, p lies in the exterior of the circle where s double one greater than 0, means exterior means out of the circle, like this. So this is some basic important points we have to learn here. So move to the first B exercise here. Now exercise first bit, first one question, locate the position of the point p with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 when given point p is p 3 comma 4 and given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we have to location a point on the circle, this circle, okay. So solution here, p x comma 1 is equal to given p 3 comma 4 where x comma 1 is equal to 3 comma 4. Now here, so given circle is this one. Okay, so given circle is that one. So in this we have to find S11. Okay, S11 means kya? X1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to 0 here. This one y1 we have to submit y1s. So here in this it is will not equal to 0. So S11 is equal to something this one. So it will become x1 means how much? 3 whole square plus y1 is equal to how much? 4 whole square minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into y means how much? 4 minus 12. Here it will become 3 3 9 plus 16 minus 3 4 12 minus 6 4 how much? 24 and minus 12 here. So minus 12 24 48 48 minus 25 48 minus 25 means minus 23. So it is minus 23 will less than 0, no? So means the P lies, this point P lies in the interior. So interior of the circle. So we discussed already these total conditions here. Okay, so like this it will interior of the circle now. Okay na, so this condition we can say that this P like where this P lies on the like minus 23 less than 0, no? So that's why P lies in the interior of the circle here. Now this is the solution here. Now move to the next question. Now second question here solution. Here x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 5 here. Now given circle is this one. So in this we have to find S11 is equal to here x1 square plus y1 square minus here 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this we have to submit the values. X1 is equal to how much? 1 square, y1 is equal to 5 square minus 2 into x1 means 1 only minus 4 into 5 only plus 3 is equal to 0 here. So not 0, so it will not come here. It will become S11 is equal to this one now. So 1 is 1 square is equal to 1 plus 25 minus 2 1 ja 2 minus 4 5 ja 20 and plus 3 here. So it will become 26 and this become 22. 26 minus 22 4 and plus 3 7. 7 is the above the, no, 7 greater than 0, no? So it will become S here P lies exterior of the circle, exterior, because it is above is equal to, it will become interior. So that's why it is P lies in the exterior of the circle here. So now move to the third one here. Now third one solution here. Here x1 comma y1 is given how much? It will become 4 comma 2 here. Now circle equation given here and give S11 is equal to x1 square plus y here 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 5x1 minus 4y1 plus 3. Okay, so this is a equation. In this we have to submit the values. Now 2 into x square means x1 square is equal to 4 whole square plus 2 into y means how much? 2 square minus 5 into x1 is how much? 4 minus 4 into y minus y means 2 only plus 3 here. So 4 square is equal to how much? 4 4 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 here will get 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 minus 5 4 ja 20 minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 3. So it will become 38, 32 plus 40 minus 28 and it will become minus 28 plus 3 25 minus 25 is equal to 15. It is greater than 0 only. So here we can say that the question is given minus 3. So you do in the minus 3. Actually question is given in the minus 3. I took it as a plus 3. So that question, please go through that one. You take minus in minus 3, you will get another answer. So my intention not to make a plus 3, like, but I took the plus 3, so I continue with that one only. Now here the p is greater than p is lies exterior of the circle. Here next one, fourth one solution. So p is equal to given x comma y, x1 comma y1. So 2 comma minus 1 here he given, 2 comma minus 1, and is already given a circle equation he given. So in this S11 we have to find now. So is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3. Okay, in this we have to submit the values. X1 square means 2 square plus y1 square is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3 here. So I took right only here plus, don't mind, 2 to the 4 plus 1 square means 1 only, minus 2 to the 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled, plus 5 plus 3 8 here. 8 greater than 0 no, so it will become same. It is p lies exterior of the circle, exterior of the circle. So this is answer here. Now move to the second question. Now second one here, find the power of the point P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 when. So power of point, what is power of point, we need to know here first. The power of point where P x comma y1, x1 comma y1 with respect to the the circle S is equal to 0, it will become is S11. So this is we have to find here S11. So we know already S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square, here 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 here this one. So in this x1 comma y1 we have to submit here. Now x1 square is equal to how much, 5 square plus y1 square 6 square plus 8 into 5 plus 12 into 6 plus 15 here. So it will become 5 square is equal to 25 plus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 8 4 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40. So 12 6 ja 72 and here plus 15. Now question is here. Now question is I took wrong here. It is become minus 6. So minus 6 means this is minus 6. It will become minus 72. So here we can say that it will become 25 plus 36 how much, 61. Okay, 61 101 plus 116 minus 72 is equal to 44 is the answer here. So this is second one, second bit, first one. Now second one, we go for the second one. Now here second one solution. So P is equal to given x1 comma y1 here, x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Here given circle is this one, and now here S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 12. So in this we have to submit the values, minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square, here 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12. So it will become 1 only plus 1 only, here plus 6 and plus 4 minus 12. So this is 10 and 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 here, answer. Now move to the third one here. Now third one solution here, P x comma y1 is given and given a circle also. Here in this we have to find S11 where S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 8y1 minus 23. Here x1 comma y1 is equal to how much, 2 comma 3. So we have to submit in this one. So 2 whole square plus y1 means 3 whole square minus 2 into 2 plus 8 into 3 minus 23. So in this 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9 minus 2 to 4 plus 8 3 24 minus 23. So it will become 13 and 13 minus 4 9 only, so minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. 24 minus 1 is here, and it will become 9 plus 1 10 here answer. So answer is 10 here. S11 is equal to 10. Now move to the fourth one here. Now here solution fourth one, Px1 comma y1 is given here 2 comma 4. So S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. So in this we need to find x1 value, values we have to submit here, no? So square plus 4 square minus 4 into 2 minus 6 into 4 minus 12. So 2 square is equal to 4 plus 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 2 is 8 minus 6 4 is 24 plus 2 minus 12. I think that is plus 2. Okay, so now here okay, right, it is 20, no, it's 6 no, 8 minus 24 8 here will become first we add these things 20 minus here this is 12, this is 20 plus 4 24 44. Here how much it will become? Minus 22, minus 24. So answer is minus 24 here. Now move to the next question. Now third question here, find the length of the tangent from the P to the circle S is equal to 0 when P 2 comma 5 and S is equal to x square plus y square minus, this is the first question here. So here the length of the tangent from the important point here, the length of this is G, okay, length of the tangent length of the tangent from P x1 comma y1 to S is equal to 0 is under root of S11. So this is a basic important note here, so we have to remember this. So here first question is to find the length of the tangent from the P to the circle S is equal to 0 when this points is given. So here P is equal to x1 comma y1 he given and circle also he given. Now here root S11 is equal to, here we can say under root of S11 means this x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. So under root of x1 is equal to how much? Minus 2 whole square plus y is equal to 5 whole square minus 25, and it will become 4 under root of plus 25 minus 25 minus 25 plus 25 will get cancelled, under root of 4 will remain, and 2 is the answer here. Now under root of S11 is equal to 2 only answer here. Here second question is given solution. So P is equal to x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0 is given, x1 y1 0 comma 0, and given circle is that one, and we have to find length of the tangent here under root of S11. So under root of S11 is equal to under root of, so here the question is x1 square plus y1 square minus 14x1 minus plus 2y1 plus 25. So this is given equation. So in this we have to submit the values. So x1 square is equal to how much? 0 square plus 0 square minus 0, it will become also 0, this will become also 0 plus 0 minus plus 25, it will become under root of 25 is equal to 5. So root S11 is equal to 5 is the answer, second one. Now next question, P is equal to x1 comma y1 is given. So this is x1 comma y1 and S is and this circle also is given. Now we have to find the length of the tangent. So length of tangent is equal to under root of S11. Under root of S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 minus 5 under root of this one. So we have to submit the values in this one. Under root of x is equal to how much? 2 given, 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 minus 5 is equal to under root of 2 square is equal to 4 plus 5 square is equal to 25 minus 5 2 is 10, 4 5 is 20 minus 5 here. So it will become, we can write it as under root of 49 minus 5, it will become 49 minus not 5, it is minus 10 minus 5, 15 it will become. So under root of 34 is the answer here. Now solution here, third one, if the length of the tangent from the 5 comma 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to is 1, then find the k here. So x1 comma y1 he given as 5 comma 4. Okay, so now in this circle is given that one, and the tangent is equal to, tangent will become under root of s double 1, no? So tangent to the circle, so s double 1 is equal to 1 here. So means under root of s double 1 is equal to under root of, he is given only 1 here, is 1. So now s double 1 is equal to what? The question is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2k, here y1 only, no? So y1 is equal to 1 here. So values is given, x comma y1 is equal to 5 comma 4 he given, under root we have to submit in this one, 5 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 2k into y1 means 4 here is equal to 1. So 5 square is equal to 25 plus 4 4 is 16, that is only, no? 4 4 is 16, 2 into means 2 4 is 8, k is equal to 1 here, under root. So squaring on both sides, it will become squaring on both sides, it will become, and it will become how much? 41 plus 8k is equal to 1 here. So 41 will goes there, 8k is equal to 1 minus 41 is equal to 40. So 8k is equal to 40, k is equal to 40 divided by 8, 8 1 ja, 8 5 ja. So it is minus, k is equal to minus 5 is the answer here. So he is asking us to find the k value only. Now second question is, if the length of the tangent from 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37, he is saying. So means s double dash is equal to root 37. So here s double 1 is equal to, we can write it as x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k is equal to root 37. And it will become, we submit the values here given, x comma y1 is equal to 2 comma 5 x1 y1, and we have to submit the values in this one. So under root of 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into y means 5, k means k only is equal to root 37. So root will cancel, 2 square is equal to 4 plus 5 square is equal to 25 minus 5 2 is 10 plus, so point ko minus 9 is 4 5 is 20 plus k is equal to 37. So it will become 15 plus 20 35 plus 4 39. So k is equal to 37 minus 39 is equal to, k is equal to minus 2 is the answer here. Now this is the second question. Now move to the third bit. Here third bit, first question, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P, so P is moving such that the lengths of drawn from the tangents from the P to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus minus 12 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 are in the ratio of 2:3. Then find the equation of the locus P. So here solution here, let P be the point on the locus, P point B on the locus. Okay, so here let P T1 P comma P2 be the length of the tangent from the P to the circles. Tangents, this P1 one tangent, T2 is a one tangent, be the lengths of the tangent from P to circles. So now here question will become like this, it will become given that it will become given it in the ratio of 2:3, no? So given that it will become 2:3, so means it will become PT1 raised to PT2 here. So P2 tangent 1 and tangent 2, so it will become PT1 is equal to 2 and divided by P22 is equal to something, this is equal to only 3. We will do cross multiplication, it will become 3 PT1 is equal to 2 PT2. So now here squaring on both sides, no need here need, okay, it will become s double one only. So means it will become uh, so it will become 3 into we can write it as tangent p to tangent one means whole square root whole square. It will become like we can write it as under root of s double one. Okay, right, s double one is equal to this is 2 into root of s double one. So this one first equation and second equation, it will become we squaring on both sides, it will become 9 into s double one is equal to 4 into s double one, second equation. So here we can say that we can submit the values. So which one is given, 2 comma 3 is given and point p we don't know here. So here 9 into s1 s double one means here x1, this one x1 square minus this one we have to submit here. So x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to 4 into this one x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26 is equal to 0 here. So now total we got this like this. Now from this dear students, 9x1 square is total simplification you do. I did already in my notebook, and I will go for the direct question. So after completing this simplification, it will become 5x1 square plus 5y1 square and minus 60x1 minus 12y1, sorry 12 126y1 minus 212 is equal to 0 it will become. So here if locus of p x1 gamma y1 will remove, to will it is become 5x square plus 5y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212. This is answer here. Now second question is same like question only, solution here. So p x1 comma y1 is a point on the locus, we think on the locus, let v, okay, let v and p, let, so p first tangent and comma p second tangent be the length of the tangents from the p circles, circle 1 and 2. So these are equal, he is saying here. Question is the a point moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from p to the circle, this is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0, and this x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to, are equal, he is saying. Equal means two circles are equal with this p1 pt1 is equal to p t2, no. So he given directly this one. So from this we can say that this, as we can write s double one is equal to s double one. So either other these two different equations is there, na? So that's why I am taking. So squaring on both sides, and it will become square roots get cancel, and here it will remain. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus, sorry 4 sorry minus only, no. So minus only minus 4x minus 6y1 and minus 12 is equal to, not is equal to, yes, 12 is 12 here. So x1 square y1 square will get cancelled from both sides, and 8x1 minus 4x1 will come to plus 4x1 plus 12y1 and it will become 6y1 and 12 it will come, it will become plus 15 plus 12 it will become 0 now. So it will become 12x1 plus this one 18x1 18y1 plus this is 27 is equal to 0. So now it will become 3 4 ja 12 x1 plus 3 6 ja 81 sorry 3 6 ja 18 plus y1 3 9 ja 27 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0, where the locus of point p is located, p x1 comma y1 where located, okay now. This one is the answer here. Now all the questions of this exercise completed. Exercise 1 B. Okay, so it is completed now. Thank you guys listening patiently for my class. Some mistakes if I did, please correct those mistakes and watch next video. Thank you guys. Please do share and subscribe to your share with your friends and subscribe my channel. I will bring more and more class to you. This is uh, practice maths signing off. Thank you.